Are you kidding me? Look at that. Hey guys, welcome to Backyard Chef. I'm Rick. Today we are going to make something really simple. 5 minutes prep, chuck it in the oven. 50 minutes later, on the table with some ice cream. We are making peach cobbler out of a can. So simple, it's cobblers. Let's show you how to do it. Come on. Butter, and all we're going to do is chuck that in that pan. And then what we're going to do, we're going to put this pan in this oven. Now you can put it in your normal oven, but I'm using this. You can see what's going on. It's on the desktop. All we're going to do is put that in there, heat it up, 350 degrees, 175, 170, somewhere around about there. And we're going to take it out with the melted butter. Whilst that's melting, we're going to make a batter. It's as easy as that. So that is going in there. That is going on, and we're just going to melt that butter. And what we're going to do, we're going to knock up our batter. Simple mix this. This is self-rising or self-raising flour. Easy to make. I've got a link up here so you can make your own or you can buy it. And there'll be a link in the description as well. So that is a cup of self-rising flour. That is 3/4 of a cup of sugar. That's in there. Give that a little mix in. This is so simple. That is a pinch of cinnamon. Cinnamon optional. Now some people don't like the taste of cinnamon. I understand that, leave it out. That's why there's only a pinch going in here. We're not making a cake. Now there's various recipes for making peach cobbler. You can put an egg in there, but you're going to end up with a cake mixture. I don't want that. So that is our flour. To that, 1 cup of milk. And what we want to do is give that a little mixing in. Now it's going to look like a very, very wet batter. Don't worry about it. Don't even have to be so precise with the beating in, you know, it doesn't matter really. But that's about got all that mixed in there. Very easy, very quick this. It all comes together in about 5 minutes. Batter mix made. Tin of peaches, regular tin of peaches. About 28 ounce or whatever you call it. Now these are whole peaches in light syrup. We want the syrup, we want the peaches. So drain the syrup into there. Quite a lot of syrup there actually. And then what we want to do, we want to cut those peaches, slice them all up. I've got whole peaches. I'm just going to use a knife in the tin and we're just going to give it a quick cutting in the tin. Now it doesn't matter if they're not cut perfectly. Now you can do this more precise if you want. You can put it out on the side and cut it up, but I'm not bothered about that. You know, we need bits of peaches in our peach cobbler. We don't want whole peaches, we want bits. We want to bite through and have peaches in every bit. Butter melted out of there, on there. Easy this. Batter in. Peaches in. Now don't mess with it, a little bit of that juice in there. It doesn't need any more juice than that, there's a lot of juice in there. And then that in that oven. Straight in there, about 50 minutes. Oh, there we are. Done. 50 minutes. Let's get that out of there. Oh, look at that. That is amazing. Oh, look at that. Fries beyond recognition. No joking. That smells amazing. Right, of course we can't shovel this down just now, it's too hot. Just let it cool down about 10 minutes and we'll scoop it out and we're going to try some of this peach cobbler. Oh, time to serve some of this up. Oh. Oh, oh, oh. Look at that. Oh. Oh, oh, oh. Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? Look at that. Oh, look at that. Oh, look at that. Amazing. Oh, let's get some of these peaches and some of this. Oh. Oh. Crunchy caramelized top, buttery all the way through, soft cakey like interior with those peaches, not overly sweet because we didn't put loads of sugar in. That is amazing. Let's get some with some ice cream. Oh, look at that. Amazing. Absolutely amazing. Guys, if you like what we're doing, don't forget, smash that like and subscribe, share with your friends, all that kind of stuff. Catch you in the next video.